We have Marvellous pads for you today. They're from Hunkydory, of course, and it's all that same Mirri look that we had yesterday. I think Hunkydory went crazy with Mirri.
With Mirri. And we have 3 different patterns to show you in those. Plus we have stamps from Hunkydory too.
Right, we'll put it all together for you. Come play with us. Here are the 3 pads, and they're all Marvellous.
They are, and we have sensational spots, colorful clouds, and gorgeous gingham.
Right.
Each of those are 8 inches by 8 inches, so you're going to get a square pad, and there are 24 sheets in there.
And I'm just going to flip through. You get 2 of each one, and that's why we said that we had different patterns, because each of them has the same patterns, lots and lots of finishes.
Right. You're getting a little darker colors, a little lighter colors, and they're all going to match. You can mix and match really well.
These are the clouds.
Love
really fun.
That's beautiful.
And then we have gingham, so looking like this. And I'll just flip through.
And those just make super cute cards.
Yes.
I love the gingham, just really cute.
So we're going to start with the dots, sensational spots, I guess.
That's right.
And what's neat about this is that you get this beautiful Mirri finish, and you can use so many things with it. And this happens to be foil paper towel, the Sweet Life, I think, or Sweet Treats.
Isn't that beautiful?
Just really, really fun, easy to put together.
So you're just matting that foil paper towel on these papers, and this is just such a beautiful look. So you've got those, I love the different colors, the pink here, the blue at the bottom, you've got the green going around the edge.
And the long greeting dazzles is just perfect for making your statement.
Just a little bit of black around the edges really pops it
Right,
nicely.
This is cardstock, right? So very, very nice. Easy to do. Speaking of easy to do, moving into our clouds, I love this.
This is really pretty and really simple to do with our easy to use templates.
Yes, Lene just felt Gail just felt it looked so sunshiny and wanted to have the Easy Burst template.
So really easy. And that's why it's called Easy Sunburst. And so you just place this onto your cardstock 1 piece at a time, trace those rays, and then just start cutting them out and then laying them on. So I laid them on, and then I cut them even or where I wanted them to be, just short of the edge of the card. And to get that beautiful sun,
you did the Easy Circles template. So that has circles from 1 inch up to 11.5 inches.
So whatever size you want to use there, and then just make sure you go off the edge of the card there. So really cute, and I loved adding those dazzles on there. That's just super fun.
This is the scribbled shapes and just a really fun look. So what you are getting in the base with all of the pads is, of course, your paper. Then what you do with it is the creative aspect.
I do want to point out another way to cut this circle is with the Easy Scallops and Circles cutting dies. That's another quick way to do it, because these die cut perfectly. So you can make some really beautiful die cut shapes with any of these Mirri cardstocks.
Good to know. Okay. Now we're getting into, this is more of the clouds, right?
It is. The clouds in the background, and then we've got the dots, but we also have some stamping done here, and that was done with this new Hunkydory stamp set.
It is a very large one, and it's all the months of the year with the flowers. So I'm going to turn it over so you can see. January carnations, February violets, March, you've got all of them all month. And so what you're seeing right here are the 2 stamps that are in this. So all of them are there, and you can give you an idea if you want to color them, which was done.
So the words can be stamped on there as well. So, and actually, you're saying 2 stamps, but I believe that they are separate.
Yes, they're separate.
So for each one, you get 3. 1, 2, 3 stamps.
Oh.
So that's pretty cool. Because the stamps are separate. The month is separate from the name of the flower.
Right, but Lily of the Valley is 1 stamp. Right, gotcha. So you've got 36 stamps, I guess.
Okay, so wonderful. And so this was just stamped on white cardstock, and then it was colored in with the Marvellous markers. You can use any marker. You can use Spectrum Noir, you can paint these, use watercolor pencils, just have fun with it. Or stamp and emboss. I think seeing those in gold embossing powder would be another great look on this card.
And so this is combining the dots and the clouds, so just showing you that. Now,
really
if you just want to use the stamps by themselves, here is another idea. Simply coloring in, and this is on the indigo lace, and
Right,
just
just
really
coloring it
pretty.
in. I think that was done with Spectrum Noir pens, so just, you know, a couple of little yellow and green sets there. I love the pretty little edge there. It's really a delicate look.
And then on the inside, just leaving it blank, so you've got that, a pretty little scalloped edge. This is a smaller card, so you'll see the instructions in the gallery. I like the jute there, just kind of tying those blossoms
nice.
together, really simple. And here is another of the using the stamps.
So now going back to the Mirri sheets, and here we've got the gorgeous gingham on top. We've got clouds in the center and surrounding this piece. And I love that, stamping in white on cardstock. So this plain cardstock combined with the Mirri cardstock, and it sort of tones it down just a little bit.
And then adding a little bit of color in the center one. So really very nice.
This
so
is
plain,
kind
and
of
this is the
knockout
clouds.
with the dazzles.
Right, this
that
is the cloud.
strip in
So
the
you
center.
can mix and match because the colors are all going to work together. And on the inside, using our dazzles on the clouds. So
beautiful.
That has a nice scent. And here is another of the gingham, and this one is just making a great big pennant.
Isn't that fun?
It is pretty.
That's just really cute. I can just see that sort of more of them going across like that. So that would be really pretty. And I love the extra stamping that's done. It's not with the Hunkydory stamp set. It's one of our new stamp set called Floral Doodles.
Right.
And just colored in with Spectrum Noir pens.
Let's
really
see.
sweet.
So we did paper toll, we did stamping, we did
did.
lots of stamping.
We did a little bit of die cutting. We used templates.
Right.
And all with those beautiful Marvellous Mirri pads and the new Hunkydory stamps.
Right, so all together, lots of ways you can play with these.
And see the product videos if you want to see each of these in detail.
Right. And with Hunkydory, the way it works is that they tell us what they're coming out with, and then we place our order. They rarely reprint. So it's kind of a one-shot deal. So that's
that
why.
means get it now.
Well, I just want you to know. So it's your choice, and so we get whatever we've ordered.
Right.
And but when it's gone, generally it's gone. Every now and again they'll reprint, but not often.
Okay, so that's
yeah,
the
fair warning.
Hunkydory for today, and we'll have more Hunkydory tomorrow
Absolutely.
on day 3.
Please join us.